English Speaking and Listening Practice Lesson number 8 by I. Fechtner. मुझे आपकी फिक्र है. I am concerned about you. I'm concerned about you. I am concerned about you. मैं कॉन्सर्ट में जा रहा हूँ. I am going to a concert. I'm going to a concert. I'm going to a concert. अब मैं ये लेसन ख़त्म करूँगा. Now I'll conclude this lesson. Now I'll conclude this lesson. Now I'll conclude this lesson. आपकी रिसर्च का नतीजा क्या है? What is the conclusion of your research? What is the conclusion of your research? What's the conclusion of your research? इमारत कंक्रीट की बनी हुई है. This building is made of concrete. This building is made of concrete. This building is made of concrete. मरीज की हालत कैसी है? How is the condition of the patient? How is the condition of the patient? How is the condition of the patient? मैं इम्तिहान ले रहा हूँ. I am conducting an exam. I am conducting an exam. I am conducting an exam. मैंने काफ़ी बैनुल-अक़वामी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में शिरकत की है. I have attended many international conferences. I've attended many international conferences. I've attended many international conferences. मुझ में उससे बात करने की हिम्मत नहीं है. I don't have the confidence to talk to her. I don't have the confidence to talk to her. I don't have the confidence to talk to her. मुझे यकीन है कि मुझे नौकरी मिल जाएगी. I am confident that I will get the job. I am confident that I will get the job. I am confident that I will get the job. क्या आप मेरी टिकट को कंफर्म कर सकते हैं? Can you please confirm my ticket? Can you please confirm my ticket? Can you please confirm my ticket? अफ्रीका में काफ़ी लड़ाइयाँ हैं. There are many conflicts in Africa. There are many conflicts in Africa. There are many conflicts in Africa. उसने अपने पिता अब्बू का सामना किया. उसने अदालत में चोर का सामना किया. He confronted his dad. She confronted the thief in the court. He confronted his dad. She confronted the thief in the court. He confronted his dad. She confronted the thief in the court. आप बहुत ज़्यादा उलझने पैदा कर रहे हैं. You are creating a lot of confusion. You are creating a lot of confusion. You are creating a lot of confusion. क्या आप कांग्रेस में शिरकत करेंगे? Are you going to attend that Congress? Are you going to attend that Congress? Are you going to attend that Congress? ये कांग्रेस का हुक्म है. It's a congressional order. It is a congressional order. It's a congressional order. मैं आपका लैपटॉप इंटरनेट के साथ जोड़ दूंगा. I will connect your laptop to the internet. I will connect your laptop to the internet. I'll connect your laptop to the internet. मेरा इंटरनेट का कनेक्शन बुरा है. I have a bad internet connection. I have a bad internet connection. I have a bad internet connection. क्या उसे होश आ रहा है? Is he gaining consciousness? Is he gaining consciousness? Is he gaining consciousness? पूरी कम्युनिटी ने कहा है कि एक चौकीदार होना चाहिए. The whole community has the consensus that there should be a gatekeeper. The whole community has the consensus that there should be a gatekeeper. The whole community has the consensus that there should be a gatekeeper. क्या आपको सिगरेट नोशी के नताइज का पता है? Do you know the consequences of smoking? Do you know the consequences of smoking? Do you know the consequences of smoking? उसके पिता अब्बू पुरानी सोच के हैं. His dad is conservative. His dad is conservative. His dad is conservative. आपको उसकी ऑफर के बारे में सोचना चाहिए. You should consider his offer. You should consider his offer. You should consider his offer. इस देश मुल्क में काफ़ी अच्छी एशियाई माइनॉरिटी है. There is a considerable Asian minority in this country. There is a considerable Asian minority in this country. There is a considerable Asian minority in this country. आपके एप्लीकेशन को जांचा जा रहा है. Your application is under consideration. Your application is under consideration. Your application is under consideration. इस किताब के 5 चैप्टर हैं. This book consists of 5 chapters. This book consists of 5 chapters. This book consists of 5 chapters. आपको इम्तिहान में पास होने के लिए मुश्किल काम करना होगा. मुस्तकिल. You need to be consistent to pass the exam. You need to be consistent to pass the exam. You need to be consistent to pass the exam. जिंदगी में सिर्फ तब्दीली ही मुस्तकिल है. Change is the only constant in life. Change is the only constant in life. Change is the only constant in life. मेरी ज़िंदगी मुसलसल तब्दील हो रही है. My life is constantly changing. My life is constantly changing. My life is constantly changing. इस मशरूब में लीमू और कोला है. This drink constitute of lemon and cola. This drink constitute of lemon and cola. This drink constitute of lemon and cola. ये मेरे आईनी हक के खिलाफ है. It's against my constitutional right. It's against my constitutional right. It's against my constitutional right. वो पुल बनाते हैं. They construct bridges. They construct bridges. They construct bridges. तामीर की पूरी कीमत क्या है? What is the total cost of construction? What's the total cost of construction? What is the total cost of construction? मैं IT कंसल्टेंट हूँ. I am an IT consultant. I am an IT consultant. आई एम एन IT कंसल्टेंट। आपको ज़्यादा प्रोटीन लेने की ज़रूरत है। यू नीड टू कंज्यूम मोर प्रोटीन। यू नीड टू कंज्यूम मोर प्रोटीन। You need to consume more protein. हम सब सारिफीन हैं। We are all consumers. We all are consumers. We all are consumers. आप दिन में कितनी चीनी खाते हैं? What is your daily consumption of sugar? What is your daily consumption of sugar? What's your daily consumption of sugar? मैं उससे कांटेक्ट करूँगा। I will contact her. I'll contact her. I'll contact her. इस मशरूब में बहुत ज़्यादा चीनी है। This drink contains a lot of sugar. This drink contains a lot of sugar. This drink contains a lot of sugar. मेरा सामान कंटेनर में जाएगा। My luggage will go on a container. My luggage will go on a container. My luggage will go on a container. वो दोनों एक ही ज़माने के थे। They both were contemporaries. They both were contemporaries. They both were contemporaries. मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी से मुतमईन हूँ। I am content with my life. I am content with my life. I am content with my life. मैं इस फैसले के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाऊंगा। I will contest this decision. I will contest this decision. I will contest this decision. इस फिल्म का तनाजुर क्या है? What's the context of this movie? What's the context of this movie? What's the context of this movie? चलें हम इस सबक को जारी रखते हैं। Let's continue this lesson. Let's continue this lesson. Let's continue this lesson. जारी है। उसने अपनी यात्रा सफ़र जारी रखी। To be continued. He continued his journey. To be continued. He continued his journey. To be continued. He continued his journey. शादी एक माहिदा है। Marriage is a contract. Marriage is a contract. Marriage is a contract. क्या आप कॉन्ट्रास्ट को चेंज कर सकते हैं? Can you change the contrast? Can you change the contrast? Can you change the contrast? वो अच्छे कामों में हिस्सा डालता है। He contributes to a good causes. He contributes to good causes. He contributes to good causes. चलें आए सारे चंदे को गिनें। Let's count all the contributions. Let's count all the contributions. Let's count all the contributions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me.
Like, share, subscribe. iFactner.